Hello everyone, welcome back to Shyam Coaching Institute. We are going to cover some of the CAT 2024 quant questions. So now we're going to cover this question, which is from the topic of percentages. Okay, so let's read this question. In September, the incomes of Kamal, Amal, and Vimal are in the ratio of 8:6:5. They rent a house together, and Kamal pays 15%, Amal pays 12%, and Vimal pays 18% of their respective incomes to cover the total house rent in that month. In October, the house rent remains unchanged while their incomes increase by 10%, 12%, and 15%, respectively. In October, the percentage of their total income that will be spent as house rent is nearest to. Now, let's try to understand how to solve this question. So basically, whenever you have such questions, right? Whenever we have such questions, what we have to do is assume that the total incomes are 8x, 6x, and 5x. And the rents paid are, how much were the percentages? 15, 12, and 18. So what is 15% of 8x? 15% of 8x is 0.15 times 8x, which is 1.2x, and 15, 12, and 18, right? So 12% of 6x is 0.72, and 18% of 5x is 0.9x. So the total rent that was paid for the month of September is, just add up all these quantities, you will get 1.2 plus 0.9 is 2.1, 2.1 plus 0.72 is 2.82x. So this is the rent paid in September, right? Now coming to October, now their incomes have raised. That means how much is the raise, percentage raise? 10, 12, and 15, right? So if 8x is increased by 10%, it becomes 1.1 times 8x, which is 8.8x, right? Pardon me. And 10, 12, and 15, right? So 12. So 12% increase in 6x is 1.12 times of 6x. So which is 1.12 multiplied by 6, that would be 6 to the 12, 7, 6.72. So 6.72x, and which is 15. The third one is increase was 15. Was 15 percent increase in 5x is 1.15 times 5x. So which is 1.15 multiplied by 5. It becomes 5.75. Right. So this incomes, these are the new incomes. Now they're asking, if the rent has not changed, what is the percentage of income that is spent on rent? That's what they're asking us. So what we need to do is sum up all the incomes first, right? So 8.8 plus 6.72 plus 5.7. So this total comes to around 21.27. So 2.82 divided by 21.27 is 0.13. That means this much percentage. That means 13 point roughly 2% would be used. That means that much percentage of their income would be going for rent in the month of October. Okay, so this is how we can approach such questions whenever they've only given us the ratios and percentage increases. You can simply multiply it with x, and the ratio you can multiply it with x and consider them as numbers, and then you can increase them the percentages. Okay, so this is a relatively easy question, I would say, because given that the calculator is allowed in the CAT exam, you should not miss out on such questions. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please stay tuned for more such videos. I'll keep posting more questions on CAT 2024 and even on CAT previous papers 2023 and so on. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.